Hi viewers. So today we are going to make a stylus by using recycling materials. If you check the stylus in the market, you will easily get nearly 200 to 1000 rupees at cost. Now we are going to do the stylus by using all the recycling materials, and it's very efficient to do artworks with neat and elegant lines. Let me start with the project. The materials: um, collect a plastic cover coming from your the packages like coffee powder, the Bonvita glucon D powders. That only you can collect it like this, like Tetra packs or whatever. And any waste pencil or bamboo. Now I just took a bamboo for this one. Sellotape and marker. A craft scissor if you have. Heavy duty cutter. Let me start the project. Now take the bamboo and the cutter and press the cutter and rotate your bamboo, so you'll easily get the crease like this. Once you get the depth, you can break the head of the bamboo. After taking the head out, the bamboo will become a stick like this. Now the top edge, you need to keep it near to the ruler for 1 inch diameter or a measurement. Now measure the 1 inch diameter by rotating your bamboo like this. Now use the cutter, press it hard inside the bamboo like this, near to the marking position in a vertical way. Once you reach 5 mm thickness of the bamboo, you need to turn your cutter into a horizontal position. Do this until you reach a very soft and smooth surface of your bamboo. Once you finish the bamboo, you will easily get this output. Now make the flat surface little more smoother, because you are going to use this on top of the Android mobile, so it will be little smooth and very flimsy to do like a finger. Now you have to use the backside of your marker or any pencil something and smooth the flat surface. So now you can see the flimsiness of this bamboo stick. Now take the bamboo stick in a flat surface and mark it like your finger on the top corner like this. So the cutting place, that means the cutting part, you can apply a black shade of color. That means you can understand that's the place you need to cut by using a scissor. Now we are going to start the processing method. The finished bamboo should be kept on top of this the plastic laminated sheet. Without any measurement, you can keep it like this, and take a few amount of sellotape and fix it like this. You should keep some place on top of the bamboo and the plastic sheet. So once you cover the first the corner of this plastic sheet, make sure you are rotating the bamboo with full tight. Now take the marker and measure nearly 1 inch thickness and leave some plastic sheets for later cut. You can also take a small amount of this laminated plastic sheets. Now cut the measured area So after rotating, you can easily find which area should be cut in future. So tightly rotate and you will have to fix the corner by using sellotape. So use your sellotape and fix on top of this open space of the laminated sheet like this. Once it is secured, apply other sellotape on the rest of the area. This is not the output actually. So now what we have to do, we need to trim all the excess piece of this plastic sheet and give 1 or 2 mm gaps nearby and near to the bamboo stick. Now trim it out. Now could you see the interior part of this the stylus pen? After this segment, you should trim like a curvy texture what I am doing right now. So rotate your scissor on top of this area and slowly make a curve like a finger. If you use a flat, it will work, but you can't get a proper detailed lines like what you need for making an artwork. So make sure you should curve it. Better start with a rectangle cut, then trim the corner of this rectangle cut. You will easily get the curvy texture like this. Be sure and protect your finger. So now see the output. It's something like a flat spoony texture actually. Now we got the stylus. It is not very ornamented stylus actually, but if you have a creativity in your mind, you can apply any creative skills along it. Now let me check. I'm using the stylus which I have shown in this video, the same stylus I'm using for the demo. It's really working. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope so this will help for making any good artwork in your mobile at this quarantine situation. Thanks for watching.